Okay na.
안녕하세요. So we're here at the store. So Cherry and Genevieve. Nakaisudlan na na para nila. Plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah, plastic. Oh, plastic. Karang dako na yung pinakadako. Oh, sudle. Yes, sir. Pansalay ko lang. Your budget for today is 1,000 pesos. Genevieve. Ito pa man. Don't look at me. Think whatever you want. Kung sa'y ganahan mo. Huna-huna. Think. Happy? Happy? You're not happy? Oh, second time. It's your second time, correct? Ikaduhan na nini mo? Oh. 1,000. Kulang pa? Pilate? Oh, sige. Pakan lang 1,000. No. Don't ask me. Anything you want. Only Genevieve. Jeremy, don't ask me how about your limit. Only Genevieve have 1,000 limit. I don't know what's your limit. Oh, 1 peso? Exactly, 1,000 des? Okay. Oh, no. Only Jeremy left. You will wash your clothes? Oh, done. Genevieve, sir, already 1,000.
Oh, okay. Genevieve 한번 했으니까. Finish it?
Not sure.
김용님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 빅츄리님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
가자.
Hey, come here. Sige na, gawas na mo. Pabit-bit na nila, te. Sige. Pag muna mga to. Sige lang. Go. balay? House there. Oh, let's go. Inyong balay, Genevieve, dito, no? Oh, okay. Yeah. Here. So we're now going to Cherry Miss house. They need to bring, she need to bring what she bought from the sari store to their house. Is it okay? It's okay, no problem. Do you have na may lights? Na may suga? Sa sulod sa inyong balay ba? Na may suga? Okay. Wow, very far. Nasa man? Where? Inyong balay. Sir, be careful, sir. Oh my God. No panty. Oh, malayo pa. Malayo. Oh. Ouch, sorry. Oh. Oh, asan mo magpapa? Nasa hospital?
Pag ngayong gabi, na-admit akong papa.
Oh, parents are at the hospital. Oh, okay.
Look, ato, look.
Okay. So, kinsa gahataga na?
Kim Byung yung name, kamsamida.
Oh, kamsahamnida. Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
O, ikaw, dito ka. You join. So, gano'n dyan.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Cherry May. 안녕하세요. So, we're here with Venice. Who's Venice? Oh, Venice. Oh, done? Oh, what did you buy? So, Venice
Okay na.
bought egg, 1-3. What's it? 3? It's tray. 1-3? Oh, dakpunuan. No spelling. Then, saan eh? Bear Brand. Bear Brand. Oh, saan eh? Rab 1. Ah, half plus. Okay. Corn beef. Oh, corn beer.
Dali, Tuesday, dali.
Oh,
Dali.
dali, te. Palihog ko na, te. Na ready na?
Ready?
Prepare?
Nag-prepare pa.
Oh my God, nag-prepare.
Okay.
Oh, this one, Venice and huh? Eliza, so shy.
This 1,000.
Oh, 1,000.
Opo.
Who sir? You?
Ayun.
No, who give? 10. Another?
Yes, sir.
Oh, choose.
Just 했잖아. Already.
Already, Also, Eliza, sir. Oh my God.
Always.
Like that. Always smile. Oh my God. Eliza's total 10 items. 1,750. 10.
작정을 하고.
Oh,
말하면.
mahal. Marami. Oh, Yakult 5. Canton 5. Ham 2. Hotdog 3. Bugas or rice 5. Rub for body like efficacent 1. San Marino canned foods 5. Gatas Bear Brand 3. 1 egg of tray. Oh, egg 1 tray. Richoco 5. Oh, Eliza.
아니야.
Oh, hello Anya.
아니야.
Oh, Anya so cute. Oh. Oh,
아니야, 뭐
Anya.
먹고 있어. 추가해, 아니야.
Anya here. Oh, Anya. Bye. Palit. Okay. Oh, what do you want? Unsay ganan mo paliton? Ha? Unsa man? Ha? Bear brand? Bear brand, sir.
Okay na, kaya ba?
Oh, bear brand. How many, sir?
20.
Oh.
Okay, how many?
How many? Pila ka book bear brand? Tulo? Tulo. Sir, let's see like this. Oh, 3.
Okay na.
Oh, 3. What?
What?
Ah, all. Okay, Venice is 1,637. Total of the boat, Venice and Eliza, 3,387. Wow, very smart. 4,000. How about Anya, sir? The three
Oh, okay na. 3. Saka.
milk. Unsa na yung gatas niya, Bear Brand? Oh, tulo ka Bear Brand dati. Oh, very good. So smart. Bear Brand, i-add lang, oh. Unsa man na yan, ha?
Ayang gatas?
Oh, dagko, gagmay. Unsa nga Bear Brand?
Ako man akong palitin nila.
Oh, dagko daw sa big one, tagpila, te.
120.
Go?
Ani ay.
Oh, let me see, te. Sir, like this one egg, 3. Oh, this one. Okay ra? Okay then. 3. Oh. Oh, nanakay milk ha. Oh, what will you say? Oh, yeah, wow. Oh. Oh. Oh, kamsahamnida. Oh, kamsahamnida. Oh, Anya. Please receive, Anya. Oh. Oh, kamsahamnida. Ay, ka-cute. Oh, who gives?
Picturing kamsamida.
Oh, kamsahamnida. Let's go home.
Okay na.
Oh, tapos. Oh. So we're going to Venice's house. Stay, I will go inside. Oh. My God, so isulda ko ha. Okay, hello. Asan yung ibutang na siya, Venice? Oh, just dira lang. Oh, sige, bye-bye, Venice.
Kamsamida.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, we're now going to Genevieve's house. Very dark. Oh, hey, Algala, my God, so dark. Oh, good evening. Sir, very dark. My God. So, very dark. Okay, Russell, go. Asan balay ninyo? Oh, that one, sige, okay lang. Ay, go, ara lang. Ara lang. Oh, go, dira ka na suda ninyo. Dira mo, oh, ara lang. Oh. Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Genevieve, bye-bye.
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 Picturing kamsamida.
Oh, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. And now, finally, we're going to Eliza's house. Look, sir. Very heavy. Hi, Nay. May gabi. Hello. Hello, Nay. Oh. Oh, kasama niyo mo ka lang. Oh. Hello. Kinsa?
Father?
Brother? Ay, sorry.
Father?
Brother. Ah, kan uncle. Ah, the baby. Brother, uncle, this one. Oh. Oh.
Okay, Elijah.
Okay na. Oh, kinsa man gatag? Oh, kamsamid na. Oh, tired. Kapoy, Elsa.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Liza. Bye-bye.